last time on... Oh my... Who has a crying baby on set? Ugh. Let's shoot again. And get her binky. 1, 2, 3. Go. Last time on LPSDarma. Oh my god! Somebody get the baby offset! Okay, I am done. This baby is so annoying and she just won't quit! Ugh. Somebody take care of her. Let's just get down to the important bits. Guys, okay, we can't do this. What's coming over here? Fidgets, get offset. Okay, we calmed her down. Finally. Just get offset. Now. We'll get your mother. And if you don't get off of the set right now, we will make sure you get to your mother and you will get grounded. Wait, her diaper's falling off. Hurry, get back. Oh. Hurry, get her off set. Get the binky. Okay, I'm getting the binky right now. I think she calmed down for now. Got the binky. Give her the binky. Okay. Throw it! Oh, missed! Oh, boys. Trying to play ball with everything. Oh, you poor thing. Here. Hurry, Stella! Or, actually, Lindsay! Yeah. Hurry, get the binky! Okay, I got the binky. Is she hungry? Maybe. I can't fit it in her mouth. She's pushing it out. Maybe she did a number 2. Check her diaper. Let's smell it. It smells normal, I think. Well, she's always vanilla scented. Maybe she's mad or something. She's still going. Get the bow. She don't need her bow. Poor thing. Oh, no, she hasn't calmed down. No, I can't take it. Hurry, get her mother. We can't. We're on set, and we're supposed to be doing the video. She kept crying. Hurry. Get something. Get food. Get food. Okay. She's not going to stop crying till we give her her food. I don't know what to do. Hurry. Hand it to me. Okay. Ow. That's what I meant. It's evil. Okay. Let me open the food. Opened it. Now... Too much. There's Tanya said to give her one at a time. Oh no. This isn't even my baby. What am I feeding her? I don't got the motherly instincts. Got her! Oh, hope we don't have a baby so soon. Eat it? She don't want it. Did I just get this? Nothing. Give up. She's not going to be happy for a while. Hurry, give it to her! Okay. Here, take it, please. Take it. You want the binky? Take the binky. All she needed was her binky. Wow. Ow. No. Stella. Yeah. Oh, I know what she did. Oh no, I'm staying back here. Oh, girl, no, just no. Get back here, or else. Shh. Yelling. Just. We'll have to change your diaper off, camera. Cameraman.
Yeah.
Can you turn off the camera for a minute? Yep. Got done. That was treacherous. Oh, no! No! Not again. Don't. Please, don't. Please, calm down. Please, no. Not again! Now I want to cry. You're making it worse. Come on. Get up. I feel exactly way. Put the binky in. Hurry. Here, man. I'm fine. Better be, because I'll stuff it back in there. No, Mommy. That is kind of soothing. See? You're better. But she's not. Hurry! Flick it in! Flick on the wrist. She won't take it. Please, just take it. Just take it. Please. Do you want the food? Do you want milk? Actually, I don't. I think she's like over it. She's not supposed to be drinking milk. Yeah, of course. She's a special baby. She's calming down. She just. Wait. Oh, is she trying to burp or something? Oh, that hurts my ears. Okay, I think we should have the cameraman stop because, Can you get off set now so we can do our video now? Please? Please. Hopefully her mom's coming soon. Fidgets! Oh my god, why are you here? Fidgets! Ma'am, you left your baby here? No, I didn't. I left her with the babysitter. Oh my god. What did you do to her? She just crawled on set, ma'am. I'm so sorry. She used descriptions. Stop it. Sorry about that. That was her uncle.
I'm not the wrong.
I'm so sorry. She will never be here again, cause she's my little angel. See, she loves to talk. See, she's my little angel. Whoa!
This is all I did.
Stop it! Put that back. I'm so sorry. I'll stop the camera now. Thank you for taking care of my baby now. Bye.
Try that for intro.
Bye now.